What's up guys, Ryan with the MXG channel. I'm back with the April edition of the Battle of the Boxes. These are Moto subscription boxes that are sent to your door every month, slightly customizable, will come with items based on your interests, your sizes, etc. Now, for the last 2 months, I've showed you the Brat Box and Moto Delivered. I've got a third box to show you this month, Biker Gear Club, and that's the one that we're gonna start with. Let's unbox Biker Gear Club first. Now, I haven't unboxed any of these yet, so I don't know what's in any of them. Nice tissue paper here. All right, looks like we got a 400 lumen striker flashlight, spotlight, hazard, SOS, dual LED, 6 different modes. Feels heavy, feels like a good flashlight. And then in bubble wrap here, it looks like some goggles. 100% the Barstow goggle. So it's like the black with the white trim around it. So we all like 100% goggles, right? And then there's a hydro fuel electrolyte drink mix packet. Now it looks like it's been leaking in the bag just a little bit. All right, so this box will set you back $79 a month. Let's check out Moto Delivered. All right, April Moto Delivered box. Oh, the Motion Pro Moto Spade. So these are, you know, super popular, very handy. Basically just gives you a brush, a pick, and a curb spade so you can scrape mud off your bike between motos, clean up your chain or whatever you need to do. Everybody needs one of these. And then dry chain lube from Muck Off. We have a set of Fly light gloves, black. Moto Delivered sticker, Ride Moto, Live Better. And we have a pack of Rhino Power Mana Gel, mixed berry flavor. The Moto Delivered box is gonna set you back around $54 a month. Let's check the Brat Box. All right, open up the Brat Box here. We've got a set of Pro Taper clamp-on grip system, full diamond grips. So lock-ons by Pro Taper, full diamond. And also more chain lube, this time Motul. We've got Muck Off hand sanitizer, a Brat Box koozie. We've got Rhino Power protein and hydration fuel. We've got Pedro's chain tool. These chain tools are really cool. They can pretty much do everything a full chain breaker can, but look how small that is. I mean, it's super tiny. So you can put that in any pocket, in any pack, in your pocket, in your pants, whatever. We also have the SP Connect ring mount. Basically lets you put a pop socket on just about anything. We have a bunch of stickers. We have a little note here from Brat Box that says, "Thank you for being a part of the Brat Box family. The awesome gear in your box is valued at $100. Now the price of this box is going to be around $59. You can get it even cheaper if you do a 3-month subscription. That's the same on all these. Also, underneath all the stickers is this month's issue of Racer X with Hunter Lawrence on the front. So there's your 3 leading Moto subscription boxes, guys. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Which one do you think is the best value? Are you a member of any of these clubs? Let me know, I'd love to hear it. Ryan with MXG channel. I'll see you in the next video.